Guys, good evening. Andito kami ngayon sa Nara Street sa shopping. We decided to eat at Lola's since we're craving for barbecue and inasal as well as nilaga. Tapat lang sila ng Aaron's Country House and katabi ng Galaxy. Dito, yan. Yung place nila, medyo madilim ng konti. And al fresco type siya. So far, okay naman yung place. They are also selling kansi and yung menu nila naka-post lang sa wall. Yan. As you can see, affordable lang yung mga price nila. Yan, meron din silang bok choy. They are also selling beers as well as desserts. Yung mga Black Sambo, Brazos de Mercedes. Ito yung beef nilaga nila. Madami yung laman for only 160 pesos. And yung sabaw is hindi masebo. By the way, yung taste niya is batuan talaga. Hindi yung taste na parang powder lang na sinigang. We also ordered chicken inasal and pork barbecue. Tara, try natin if masarap yung niya, yung mga pagkain. At ito na nga, pinortion muna namin yung sabaw. Tinikman namin isa't isa if anong masabi nila. And ito na nga, tinikman ko. Masarap naman siya. Yung barbecue as well. Masarap yan. 20 pesos lang yan. Sige, ubusan namin muna to. And for the bill reveal, ito lang yung nagastos namin for 5 persons. 795. 5 na kami niyan and sobrang busog namin. For the overall rating, yung place, I could rate it 2.5 out of 5 kasi medyo na siya, yung parang karinderya vibe. For the food, wala akong masabi. Masarap talaga. 5 out of 5. And for the service, medyo mabagal na ng konti. Probably due to madaming ding taong kumakain. Leave us a comment. And see you again on our next food vlog. Ingat!